How to hide friends list on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and it will lead you directly to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go to your menu. So on the bottom part, you will see the three dash lines there, the menu. Just tap on that and it will directly lead you here. Now on the bottom part, scroll all the way down till you see settings and privacy. Just tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. Now under settings, you will see different sections there such as account, preferences, audience and visibility, permissions, your information, community standard and legal policies. So I want you to go to audience and visibility. So there are actually 9 options there. Now you have to tap on how people find and contact you. Just tap on that and you will see 5 different options. Now you will see who can send you friend requests, who can see your friend list. So just tap on who can see your friends list. So as you can see, I have already set it to public. Now to actually hide your friend list on Facebook, just tap on only me to set it or hide it from everyone, hide it from your friends or specific people or basically everyone. Now, and that is how you hide friends list on Facebook. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application to your App Store or to your Play Store. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.